Hey everyone, Brooke Kromer here, and I want to share some exciting news that could directly impact your bottom line if you own or are thinking about owning investment property here on 30A. Congress passed the Big Beautiful Bill Act, and it's introducing some major tax advantages for property owners like you. Let's break it down. First up, 100% bonus depreciation. This is a big one. Bonus depreciation is reinstated at 100% for improvement costs on commercial real estate, including short term rentals. So, what does this mean for you? If you buy a property that needs upgrades, so new furnishings, renovations, even structural improvements, you can write off the full cost in year one. It makes buying an established home that needs a little love actually a better tax strategy than buying a new build or turnkey property. You're not just adding value to investment, you are keeping more of your income. Next is the QBI deduction. If your short term rental qualifies as a business, you could deduct up to 20% of your net rental income. That is a direct reduction to your taxable income and another way to make your money go even further. And don't overlook cost segregation. This is a powerful tax strategy where your CPA can break down your property into components: land, building, furnishings. This will accelerate depreciation and maximize your savings. If done right, it can dramatically reduce what you owe, especially when combined with 100% depreciation. So, what does all this mean? It is a huge win for current property owners and an incredible opportunity for new buyers to step in, improve an asset, and benefit immediately. Whether you're looking to reinvest in your rental or you're finally ready to buy your first property on 30A, these tax changes can make the numbers work a whole lot better. If you want to dig into how this could apply to your specific property or deal, I have a great CPA I can pair you with. Just reach out. I'm happy to connect you and let's put strategy behind your next move.